Hi, this is Brian from Northern Power and Safety. I'm going to take you through the quick onboarding, and how to easily get that done with your workers. Here I am already logged into the Lockout ID dashboard as a supervisor, and I'm going to head over, and the easiest way to do this is to actually click on our Generate Fast Start. When we click on this, what's going to happen is it's going to generate a code, which is good for 60 minutes, and you'll have that code and provide it to your workers as you hand out your Lockout ID tags, like that. So let's have a look at what this looks like. Now, as you see here on my screen, I've got my phone. I've got it in camera mode. I'm using an iPhone, but it works for Android as well. We're just going to highlight the QR code and tap the um, link that comes up. This is going to sign us in as Fast Start. So all we have to do is go back to our camera, and we are going to then scan QR code on our new tag. And the first thing we want to do here is we want to go to tap the blue circle with the camera icon in here. What that's going to do is it's going to bring up our camera, but we can also choose a photo if we have one. Use a photo, and then we're going to fill out the information here. We're going to fill out the name, going to fill out the company, going to fill out the shift. If you set up work scopes like I have here, you can select or have the person select from the work scopes available, put in the telephone number. No need to have any special parentheses, spaces, dashes, or anything like that. Just enter it and click Create Lockout ID. Once you've created this lockout ID and onboarded it, it's going to be brought in under the supervisor account, and will also be presented with the digital lockout ID so that we can make sure by taking a look at it if the picture, the name, the work scope, company, days, telephone number look all right. If they do, you can even test and make a call. Click the big blue button and click Call.